Hello traders, ever wondered how AI can help you stay ahead in trading? Today I will show you how to use ChatGPT to uncover market trends and make smarter trading decisions. So if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly hit that subscribe button, like this video, share this video so that others will benefit. So before we go further, we need to know what exactly is ChatGPT. ChatGPT is an AI model developed by OpenAI. While it doesn't predict market directly, it can analyze historical data, explain economic trend, and simulate strategy. How you can use it for market insight. So I have tried it severally and it's worked perfectly. This will guide you on where to enter a trade and where to anticipate where the trade is going. You get. So I think you should give this a try on your demo account and tell me in the comment section how it went through, because I have tried it and it works perfectly for me. So all you need to do is you need to structure effective prompts for this strategy to work. To get the best results, it is all about asking the right question, right? You know, ChatGPT, it is a question you present to it that it will respond to. I hope you get this. So you need to ask the right question. For example, let's say for example, analyze the historical price movement. For example, let's say analyze. Let me increase the font size of this. Let me increase the font size. I hope you can see this so that you can see boldly what I'm writing. Okay, good. Let's say, for example, analyze the historical. This is part of the kind of questions you should be asking. Price movement, for example, movements of currently we are on gold XAUSD XAUUSD. So gold, write it. You can just put XAUUSD just to clarify, because you need to be straightforward and clear with your questions for you to get the right answer. Get. So and suggest potential future trends. You see? So this is the kind of question you should be asking ChatGPT. This is the kind of question you should be asking for you to get the real and precise answers to what you're looking for. So let's say you are a swing trader, for example. As a swing trader, you should know exactly what to ask ChatGPT. What a swing trader will ask ChatGPT is different from what a day trader will ask. The question you should construct should be entirely different, because it is what you ask you get. So now let's go to our live chat of ChatGPT to ask ChatGPT the future of gold, for example, and I'll show you exactly how I use this to day trade and swing trade. I'll show you how I use this, the easiest way to use it, the simplest way to use it. So let's go to ChatGPT right away. So we are live on ChatGPT, chatgpt.com, right? So here is our you just go to your search bar and search chatgpt.com. This address. This will take you this will take you to this page exactly. So now let's let's ask ChatGPT a question on gold, right? let's say, analyze, let's say for example, you remember I told you you need to be straightforward in your questions. If you want to get the right answer, you need to go straight to what you want and be precise for exactly what you want if you really want to get the right answer. So this particular one is really help you if you're a swing trader. After this, I will show you as a day trader what you will do. If you're a swing trader, you can use this as a swing trader. So let's say analyze gold. Gold, let's say XAUSD, right? Price reaction to Federal Reserve announcement. I just want you to follow me closely and see how it works over the last year, and suggest you can see how constructive my message is. Potential let's say outcomes, right? Potential outcomes for future decision, features of future decision, or let's say let's say for upcoming, let's say for upcoming decisions. Then you click on enter, or you just click on this. So let's see what ChatGPT will have to say. So look, this is, you can see how ChatGPT will break down every damn thing. You see, it talks about the 2023 market reactions. You can see. Just go, I don't want to go deep on this. I will focus on the day trading because this will take our time. You see, it talks about key drivers, interest rates, technical trends, what to check, the resistance zone around levels. Look at the resistance levels in 2067, and the upcoming Federal Reserve decision. It talks about you see, if the Federal Reserve reiterates its commitment to rate cuts in 2024 or signals a cautious approach to, just take this question the way I put it. Exactly, if you're a swing trader and you're watching this video today, today is 1st of December. This can work for more than you can watch this video even after a week, and this will help you a lot. So you can use this. You can type this question and get what you need. This will give you insight of the market, right? So look at its recommendation. It said bullish outlook. Monitor Fed signals for dovish shifts, particularly around labor market and inflation trends, which could support higher gold prices. So you see, as a swing trader, I already have the insight that okay, there is higher possibility that this market is going up. So it said the risks involve unexpectedly strong US economic data or hawkish federal surprises could undermine the current bullish sentiment. So this is the risk involved. It already tells us that the overall market, an idea, if we want to focus, we should focus mainly on a buy. That is bullish uptrend, right? So the risk involved is if there is an unexpected strong US economy, this can change this. And aside this, you don't just use this. You go to your chart and use your technical tools like your Fibonacci retracement or your trend lines to check where the market is currently. You get check where the market. Let's go to our chart now and check that. So on our chart right now, you can see that gold is bullish, and this is weekly time frame, and gold has been bullish for the past, you see, since October, for the past more than 1 year. Gold has been bullish, you see. So now ChatGPT is telling us that gold will continue to go up. So as a swing trader, you should know what to do, right? And like we said, we can use our trend line to support this. You can use your trend line to support this. You can see that everything is showing that this is a bullish trend. And you can use your fib levels also to see the. So the only thing, if you look at this fib level right here, the only thing that might change this is when this low breaks, when this candlesticks breaks this low, right? This previous low. If it breaks it, that is when we will now start thinking that there is change in trend. That is when you start thinking that there is, let me mark it for you to see. That's when you start thinking that there is change in trend. If it comes here and breaks below this level, then we'll start thinking that there is change as a swing trader. Please note this is for the swing traders, not for day traders. So as a day trader, let's go back to ChatGPT. Let me show you what I do if I want to take a day trade, what I do for the week to get the insight. You can actually do this on a daily basis also. It must not be weekly. You can do it weekly, you can do it every day. So let's go back to our chart as day traders. Let me show you what to do to catch your pips. As a day trader, what you do is, so as a day trader, let's delete this. Let's take this off. So let's go back to lower time frame. As a day trader, you can analyze your markets in the 4-hour time frame. Then you can step down to lower time frame for confirmation and entries. So let's say now, as a day trader, I want to ask ChatGPT what next. You can see what happened on gold. You can see what happened. There was a downtrend around here. You can see there was a downtrend around this zone, and before you know it, there was shift in trend to uptrend here, because some traders thought already the trend has changed to a downtrend, and a lot might be stocked around this zone. So you can see here there's shift in trend, and here buyers are already here thinking, okay, this trend will continue going up. But what happened? You see what happened? This fell down drastically and take out a lot of people, right? So, and you see what happened there. So now we don't know let's assume we don't know what we want to do. So we'll go to ChatGPT and ask ChatGPT. So what you need here is the current market price. We have 2650.34. 2650.34 currently. That's where the market is sitting at here on TradingView. Right? That's where the market. Just check this. You can always check where the market is currently at, then take note of that place. Then also take note of the time frame you use in checking this. Then now let's head over to ChatGPT and ask ChatGPT what they think about these markets, right? So let's go there. We don't want to analyze anything per se. After ChatGPT gives us insight, then we'll now come back to the main chart and see where we can do and take our possible entries and um, our put our stop loss and also our TP, our take profit. So let's move over to ChatGPT. So now we are on our ChatGPT. So let's ask ChatGPT our question. So we'll say, kindly analyze the current market of gold XA USD, which is currently sitting on 2650 points. Remember, we write down this number, right? So this is where the market is currently. Kindly analyze the current market of gold, which is currently sitting on. So depending on, you can use this on any, not only on gold, please. You can use this on any currency pair of your choice. You can use this on any currency pair of your choice. So we'll say, kindly analyze the current market of gold, which is currently sitting on blah 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 blah, and tell me the support and resistance zone and where to take a long or short. Tell me the support and resistance zone and where to take to enter the market for either buy or sell, and where to put my SL, my stop loss. Let me put it in full for it. Stop loss and take profits. Right? As a either day trader, you can say as a day trader or a scalper or a scalper, right? Or a scalper. So if you do this on a daily, you should be getting nothing less than 100 pips. You should be getting nothing less than 100 pips. Don't be greedy, please. Don't be greedy. Once you get this trade daily, get out of the market, chill, right? Tomorrow is another day. Do same process again. Even if you're a scalper, this will guide you. You will definitely make something out of the market. So let's ask ChatGPT this. So you see what ChatGPT is doing. You see exactly what ChatGPT is doing. It has given us the support and resistance zones. We already know that we can go now to our chart to mark the support and resistance zone, because already we now have the idea, right, that okay, these are the key resistance levels and these are the key support levels. So once you mark all these levels on your chart, you know that if the market comes to this side, you should expect a rebound or a breakout. So you will be careful around these zones, right? You'll be careful around this zone. You will make the right decisions around this zone. So now Here is the trading plan. Entry, stop loss, and take profit. Buy setup. This is a buy setup. Entry near 2640 to 2630. We told ChatGPT that the market is currently sitting at 2650.36, right? So ChatGPT now is now telling us that around 2630, let me write this down, around 2640 to 2630, we should be looking for entry zone around this side, right? So it now says that we should put our stop loss below this 2630 at around 2625. So SL will be around 2625. Please, you see this, try this on your demo account. This is a live analysis for our tomorrow. Tomorrow is Monday, so this is a live analysis. You can use this on your demo account. Try it tomorrow. Let's see how it goes, right? So now ChatGPT is now telling us that okay, this will be our TP. Our TP, we should first target this resistance zone 2665. So mind you, you must not say it must get to this zone before you get out of the market. Don't be greedy, please. You must not say it must get to this zone. You can get out of this market and close it for real. You must not say it must get to this zone, but it is a wish. You can say okay, it will get to this zone before you get out of this, or you keep moving your SL up from this zone. Your SL, remember, is around 2625, so you keep moving your SL up until your desired zone, right? You keep moving your SL to profits region. I hope you get that. So this is our second target, 2670. That is our TP2. Our TP2 is around 2670. Hope you get this. Then now, on a sell setup, this is what you should be targeting. This is what you should be targeting. Entry near 26 20 to 2670, right? Then if the price shows rejection, maybe shooting star or bearish engulfing patterns, you all know this, right? How it works. I've done a video on all engulfing pattern candles also. So once you see any of these signs at the resistance zone, right? So that is where you enter a sell. That's when you enter for a short, because it has gotten to the resistance zone and you have started seeing these signs, this shooting sign, bearish engulfing, meaning it has engulfed the bullish candle. A bearish candle has engulfed a bullish candle. Then you will now enter for a sell. And your stop loss would be where your SL it says our SL should be above 2675, giving room for a false breakout, because sometimes we used to have false breakout, right? So now where is our TP? ChatGPT say our TP1 should be around 2645. That's a support zone. Then our second TP, that is our TP2, should be around 2630. Don't worry, we'll do this. We'll do this lively on our live chat together. We'll do this together on our live chat. So it said risk reward ratio, maintain ratio 1 to 2 or more, right? Maintain ratio 1 to 2 or more. So now, for a scalper, remember this is for day trader. So for just a scalper, if you're just a scalper, you just want to scalp, look for tight ranges around 26. Let me write it down. Around 2655 to 2660 with quick movements, right? Use 10 to 15 points for both stop loss and take profits. You get ensuring tight management of risk. So it asks us as a scalper, we are not staying long in the market. We just want to scalp and get out of the market. So we would use only 10 to 15 points for both our stop loss and our TP. You get use that to ensure tight management of risk. So now, technical indicators for confirmation. So now ChatGPT is now telling us that we should use technical indicator for confirmation of this strategy. So meaning we shouldn't just jump into the market just like that. We should now go to our trading view or our MT5 or 4 and add moving averages, which suggests the 5 moving average, the 20 moving average, right? So once we have a crossover, it is for a buy signal, right? Once it crosses below, it is for a sell signal. So it says we should also add our relative strength index. The overbought, when we have an overbought condition, check it if it nears our resistance zone. The resistance zone ChatGPT already gives to us, right? For sell. I hope you get this. So check it if it nears this zone, these numbers, then we should be targeting for sell opportunity around this zone. Then on the oversold, check it if it aligns with the buy option it gives us on the support levels, then we should be looking for buy opportunity. I hope you get this. So now let's it also suggests we can add rising volume near support and resistance zone, confirm the strength of these levels, right? So it's talking about the rising volumes too. You can also add that if you wish, but for me, if you add these two is enough, but you can also add this for stronger confirmation. So it talks about risk management. You see, ChatGPT is now giving us idea that okay, use appropriate leverage to avoid signal losses due to high volatility. The gold XAUSD is very high in volatility. So ChatGPT is suggesting we should use appropriate leverage. Don't go and over leverage your account and expect magic to happen. Get so position sizing, limit risks to 1 to 2 ratio, 2% of your trading capital per trade. You get so by aligning with these strategies and monitoring real-time price action, you can effectively trade XAUSD while minimizing risks, right? So, and it's still asking of you if you would like more specific plan based on live data, let me know. So it's now asking you that if you even want more specific, like you can continue asking ChatGPT. If you are not clear with this, you can still type more questions to ask ChatGPT that okay, I need more explanation on this. ChatGPT will give you that. So now let's move to our live chat and mark out these zones and know where will be our target, TP, SL, and try this like I said on your demo account and tell me in this comment section how much you made on the trade. Here we are on our chat, and ChatGPT asks us to add some EMAs and RSI. Right, so let's add that right away. You can actually add other indicators if you are on the premium subscription on TradingView, or you can just add 2 or 3 free indicators on your chart. So it asks us to add 20. So mine here is 21. You can leave it at 21. You can change it exactly to what it asks you. You can leave it at 20. Then it asks us to add 5, right? So mine here is 50. So let's change it to 5. Let's change it to 5. Every other setting is okay. There's nothing to change. So click on OK, right? So now what's the color? Let's open this, right? So now what ChatGPT is saying is that now before we go further, let's mark out the zones, the resistance zones and the support zone. ChatGPT also asks us to add EME, RSI, sorry. It asks us to add RSI if you wish. It is not a must, please. If you wish, you can add that, right? So now let's mark out our support zones and our resistance zones. So ChatGPT gave us that we should mark. Let me get this. Let me get this. Let me use this color. Right. I'm taking it so that it will be very bold. So, and let's go to settings and coordinate it to what ChatGPT asks us. Now we want to put our support zone. Where is the support zone? We need to mark out our support zone and our resistance zone. Okay, I didn't write that out. We need to go back and check where it asks us to mark our support zone and our resistance zone. So let's go back to ChatGPT and check that. So the support zone is 2660. So it says 2660 to 2670, right? So we'll put this at 2660. So this is 2660. Let's put another one for 2670. Go to settings also. Put 2670. So this is our second support zone. So you can just use this box to mark this area so that it will highlight it for you to be aware that, okay. So remember, you can also set an alarm for this to remind you, on your phone or your system that your market has gotten to this place. So you see, this market it came to this support zone, right? And it's coming down, right? And it's coming down already. We already see that, we already anticipated that this market is coming down from what I'm seeing here. So let's say, for example, take this trend line and put this trend line just like this. Just remove the wicks if it's not a must that you must put the wicks to if you want to be that conservative. So let's assume we put it just like this. So we should be expecting, remember, this is 4 hours. This is 4 hours. So we should be expecting that this market will come at least from this zone to this to test this. We should be expecting that from Monday it will definitely come here before it will bounce back. That's what I'm thinking. That is what I'm thinking. Except if they want to manipulate the market, but this is clear. This is very clear that this is what the market is saying right here. That it's supposed to come here. Then you can step down to a lower time frame. For example, let's say 1 hour. As a day trader, you can see it on 1 hour time frame how it looks like. So you look at the RSI already, and the removing averages already, it's about crossing. Remember, ChatGPT said if it crosses around this zone and you see that it is already crossing, so you wait for it, for example, to cross. You wait for it, but if you can check very well, you can see if you go to a lower time frame, let's go to 30 or 45 minutes, you see that it has crossed. You see it has already crossed. You can see that there is a cross already. So this will tell us that definitely this market is coming down. This market is coming down. Definitely, if you want to be a conservative trader and a scalper, you can target this 200 EME. It will definitely come and kiss this 200 EME. Here is the final target, right? But it will definitely come to this place. As a conservative trader, you can target from this zone, which is around, currently the market is around 2650. 2650 right to 2646. You can target around that zone, right? So now let's mark out our support zone. Also, we shouldn't forget that ChatGPT also says our support zone where we'll be anticipating for buy. Let's mark it out. Let's put this line. Let's change the color so that it will be different. We can change the color to any color of our choice. Let me use pink here. So let's go to what the number ChatGPT asks us to put. It asks us to put to target around 2640 and 2630. So put 2640 here and 2630. This will edit this to 2630, right? So this is our support zone. So let's mark out the line so that it will be, let's make it bolder. Let's shade the line, right? You see? So now ChatGPT is now telling us that if this market comes down to this zone, now look at what is happening. Look at our trend line. You see? You see our trend line sitting down exactly on this zone. You can see our trend line sitting down exactly on this zone. You see how this is working perfectly, right? So now ChatGPT is telling us that if this market comes to this zone, around this zone, and we see a crossover of these two moving average we add, or if you added your fib, is your RSI, you can also use that also to check, or your volume, you can use that to check. But for this video, we're using the moving averages. So once it gets to this side, check out your moving average. If you see that crossover on a lower time frame, you step down to lower time frame, let's say 45 or 30 minutes, for example. Once you step down to lower time frame, you can see here this is 30 minutes. So once you step down to the lower time frame around this, which is around this zone, you should be looking for a buy around this zone. You should be looking for a buy around this zone. Please, like I said, try this on your demo account. This is a live analysis for tomorrow's market on gold. Tomorrow is Monday. Today I'm recording this video on Sunday. So I might be posting this video today or likely early tomorrow in the morning. Right? So this analysis will work for scalpers and day traders tomorrow. Please. So try this, I said, on your demo account and tell us in the comment section what you think, right? Tell us in the comment section the outcome of your trade, please. So before we round off over on this video, I hope you truly understand how it works, how to ask ChatGPT question to maximize profit with ChatGPT and make informed decision. But one thing I want you to also know is that AI is the future of trading. It is the future of trading, right? There are limitations to ChatGPT. Before I forget, there are limitations. Remember, ChatGPT isn't 100% perfect. So you don't expect it to be 100% perfect, right? So that is why you need to always use your stop loss order, just in case, to minimize any loss, right? But this strategy works for like almost 80 to 85%. It really works 80 to 85% to even 90% sometimes, right? So also another thing you need to know is that it doesn't understand markets emotion. It doesn't concern ChatGPT whether there is market emotion, so you are to control it yourself, right? You remember they said if there is maybe geopolitical issue or anything, economic issue, the market might change. So this analysis will be invalid. You check your economic calendar, if there's any news or anything, it will automatically invalidate this. And so you need to always check all this on any trade you want to take, or any decision you want to ask ChatGPT. Check if there is going to be news, upcoming news around the period, so that it doesn't take you out of the market and take you unaware to lose your money. So all these are very important. Yeah, so and again, you need to also use ChatGPT as supplement to your trading analysis, not a replacement, please. It shouldn't replace your entire trading analysis. Just use it to guide you. You can see how I did it from step by step from the beginning of this video till we arrived to this place. So just use it to guide you always to make informed decision. So like I told you, AI is the future of trading, and ChatGPT can give you an edge. Try out try it out on your demo account. Let me know in the comment section. Don't forget to hit that like, subscribe to this video, join our Telegram channel where we drop exclusive trading signals, right? We drop exclusive. If you are yet to subscribe to that, just I'll drop the link in the description of this video, or you check the comment section of this video. You will see our Telegram link. We give free trading signals there and market insights for you to make informed decision. So see you in our next video. Bye.